Yo, what's up? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys all had a good day today. Again, we're continuing to sell off from, was it 4 or 5 days ago? So right now, longs in the market, a little bit riskier. It seems like shorting is the way to go. So let's do a quick recap of today. So let's do this. Let's do this. All right, cool. So first things first. I don't know if I mentioned this in the yesterday's video or not, but we had this trend line that we've been kind of respecting a couple times. We respected yesterday. Price tried to hold it. This morning was around 2. So I'm in Chicago. So this is Central Time, around 2 o'clock Central Time. We broke below it, and when we did, that was it. It was over. You kind of see price came up, try to retest it pre-market, and we just died off from there. And yeah, there was just really no demand zone. Actually, there was one demand zone here. There was a 4-hour one, I think at 41.36. We just blew right past it. But one thing that I noticed, I mean, by this time I wasn't even trading. We are holding that 41.17 key level that I always like talking about. So we're watching, it's like right above it, and as well as that 41.16.50 demand zone. I also had this trend line where, if you guys remember, we were just kind of respecting it. So I had it drawn out, and the fact that we broke below it, so I'm just gonna take that off, not really looking at it no more. Really watching that 41.17 level, which is always on my charts no matter what. And just to kind of show you where this supply zone here, 75 came in. This was intraday. Sold off, basing candle, sold off from here. And then right now, toward the end of the day, it looked like, I guess, price tried to come back up right into supply zone and just reject it off. But we're kind of holding that 41.17 level. So for tomorrow, what would I be watching out for? So definitely watching that 41.17. That's always a key level. As well as, you guys remember, I always say 41.68. And you see exactly what happened. We broke below. We cannot get above it again, and we sold off. So that's basically what I'm going to be watching. The same thing on 41.17. Do we sell off in the morning? Kind of see how we react to that level. Maybe playing this low rejection right here off of that 41.14. But 41.17 is the key level, right? Nice little trade today where you could have taken it, it worked out actually very, very nice. Was it here? I think it was right here. Actually, I don't remember. Never mind. It was actually NQ, because I also watch NQ. NQ had a nice rejection that was like, I mean, basically you could say, what is it? Textbook, basically. Which was, I believe, somewhere right here. Yeah, somewhere right here. Prior support. It was like beautiful rejection, just sold off. But we're talking about ES now. But yeah, I mean, it just seems like shorting is the way to go lately. I mean, I always like to say, like, you don't want to be the first buyer. I mean, you could have bought calls here, quick scalps and stuff, but ultimately it just seems like shorting is the way to go. So for tomorrow, what I'd be watching is at 41.17, trying to see how price reacts to it, to the downside, to see if we can still hold that support. And then below we got 41.05 as a 30-minute demand, which pretty much you got that 4100 psychological huge level. Then down below 40.90, but I'm not really looking at that. The next major demand I'm watching down below would be around 40.76, which is a point of control, which has not been tested, as well as a 40.74.50, which is a 2-hour demand zone. And then to the upside, I'm not really considering this 75-minute anymore, because I mean, it's only 4:20 Eastern time, and you can see prices kind of jumping up already. I don't know if there's any news right now, but not really looking at that. But the one I'd be eyeing for tomorrow is 41.62, and as well as that trend line that we broke under. So definitely watching it, and the fact that it lines up with that trend line, definitely keep an eye on that as well. So we can kind of see it retesting that supply zone. And then if we break that supply at 41.66, next supply above would be at 41.80, which is this nice little 15-minute one. So those are the levels I'll be watching. I wonder what's going on right now. I don't think there's anything news, or who knows. But see, news for tomorrow. Oh, we got unemployment claims and preliminary, what is GDP. So we got some more news tomorrow. So that's gonna be nice. Here you go. Look. So look. Perfect example here. The fact that prices kind of pretty much just broke it. Let me just take this off because obviously that supply is not strong enough anymore. So watching that 41.62 and trend line into tomorrow. And that's pretty much it. So we got this nice little range here, most likely going into tomorrow. So just keep those levels in mind. And that's pretty much it. Keep it nice and simple. Just play your levels, wait for your confirmations, whatever it is, and get in. Just respect your rules, follow your plan as always. Something that I still fight myself too, like, just that, following your plan part, especially for myself, where you get in a trade and you're like, all right, this is my target, but you see a little candle that spooks you and you're just like, let me just get out, and then ultimately it just goes in and hits your target. I get more mad when I don't follow my plan. that's when I get more mad. Man, like, I don't even care if I lose, but it's just more when I don't follow my plan and it works out perfectly. That's when it hurts. But anyway, I hope you guys have a good day tomorrow. I hope you guys had a good day today, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Adios.